Hi, I'm Sammy, from Fawziacademy. In this video, I will talk about when you use the type tool, you receive the following error. Could not complete your request because something prevented the text engine from being initialized. This issue can occur after you uninstall and reinstall Photoshop several times. Close Photoshop. Clear the font cache and restart. Exit Photoshop. In Windows Explorer, navigate to the user's username, app data, roaming, Adobe Photoshop CC, CT font cache folder. Move these two files to the recycle bin. Adobe_cmaps.lst, Adobe_osfonts.lst. Empty the recycle bin. Restart Photoshop. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website, Fawziacademy.com.